Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to create line, point and area in Google Earth and also convert in Shapefile. It is very important if you want to work conversion to Google Earth to Shapefile. So please like, share and subscribe. Hit bell icon for new video and also write a comment for video. So let we start. Here is our Google Earth. First we create a folder. We go to left side my place and right click, go to add folder and we write here folder name Google Earth to Shapefile and OK. Here is our folder and we create a first landmark, add place mark, go to add place mark. Here is our point and we adjust as per your requirement and we write here name. Here is 7 art gallery and OK. Our point is completed. Next we go to add polygon and we write here building and we capture it as per your requirement. We capture adjust as per your requirement. If you want to color change, go to color style and you select here your color as per requirement and width size and area outline, filled outline. We select here outline and OK. Here is our polygon. Next we add path, means line. We select it and we write here road and we capture it as per our requirement and OK. If you want to capture next, we go to again and we write here road 2 and we next capture and OK. Our file is completed. Line, point and area in Google Earth. We right click to our folder and go to save place and we save it. After save we open ArcMap. Open ArcMap, we go to Arc toolbox, go to conversion from KML. We select here KML to layer. We select here KML file, open and OK. Here is our line, point and area and we right click 1 to 1, export and we write here landmark, OK and we write here road and building. we remove old. Here is our landmark. If you want to change symbology, you click here, select symbol as per your requirement, road and building. Here is converted KML file to Shapefile. If this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.